Good morning, everybody. Hey, welcome to Thursday, August 13th. As we kind of wind down the week, today we'll have obviously unemployment claims. We'll have to see what that looks like when Dave joins us here in just a minute. Remember, we're here for you to help make sure that you are on the right path for your retirement. Give us a call at 863-382-0037 to schedule your financial x-ray.
Light up now. Donna Lewis, and I love you always, forever. Okay, 8:41 now. Time to get our finances in order. Boy, I've been trying to do that for years. Let's go to Phillip Statler from Statler Financial Services in Sebring. Hey, Phillip, how you doing?
Hey, man, I'm doing all right, and they got you in the seat today, so it's you can get your finances together, Scott. You just got to work a little at it, and start being a little forward thinking there.
That's right. That's always been my problem. I put stuff off too long, Phillip, and I know you're the guy to talk to about fixing that, right?
That's right. That's right. We're here to help fix that stuff. So let's kind of recap what happened yesterday as we look at where we are right now. So yesterday was a good day. I mean, the markets started out strong and they ended really strong, with the Dow up tad over 1%, up 289, almost $290 to 27,977. The S&P 500 up 1.4% to 3380, and the Nasdaq up 2.1% at $11,012. So everything was on a roaring tear yesterday, and so let's see if we can follow through today. It's Thursday, and Thursday is Jobs Day. So we look to see where jobs came out, and first-time unemployment claims were down for the first time below 1 million to 963,000 first-time claims, which is better than the 1.1 million that was expected. It hasn't really, it's had a little bit of an impact on the futures, but not much at all. So we continue to watch that. But our total now, we dropped as of July 25th, our total folks on unemployment dropped about 3 million. It's about 28, a little over 28 million, down from 31 million. So that's a good sign too, as we continue to move forward. The other macro number we got, Scott, was the import prices. Import prices were up 0.7%, which was about 0.1% better or more than expected. I don't know that that's a good thing when you have to pay more for something, but it is anyway. That's what it was, showing that there is some demand on spending. So some good things there, Scott.
Oh.
I
don't mean to interrupt you, but the employment numbers, I thought that was interesting because, by dropping 3 million with all that's going on, that's some pretty good, seriously good news, right, Phillip?
It is. That is some good news, and just the sheer fact that we dropped below 1 million first-time unemployment claims last week, that's a big thing, because it's been, I think it's been 19 weeks now, maybe 20 weeks that we have not seen an unemployment first-time claims below 1 million. So that's a good sign as we continue to watch what's happening there. If we kind of switch perspectives here and start looking at individual companies and the earnings that came in, we had some different things come in there. We had Tapestry, which a lot of people still don't recognize that name, Tapestry, but that's the holding company of the Kate Spade, Coach, those luxury brand items. So they reported earnings. They lost 25 cents a share, but that was a lot less than the 57 cents a share they were expected to lose. Revenue was well above the estimates. And so they've been able to move to e-commerce, and that's been a big thing for them and helped them out tremendously. As a matter of fact, they're trading up this morning a little over 6.7%. So a big move for Tapestry. And another company that's, man, they're just a big deal. 3M, you know, the Post-it note people, they just produce a lot of different things. They had a 6% increase in their July sales compared to a year ago. And so they're doing pretty good on that front too. They're up about 1.5% this morning. Another common name is Lyft. So we had Lyft report. Now they lost, you know, with all this economic downturn, you know, that's been a real pressure point on Uber and Lyft, and as well as the whole travel industry. They were down. They lost 86 cents a share, but that was less than the 99 cents they were expected to lose. Revenue was a little bit ahead of estimates. They had an increase in July over their April levels of ridership, up 78%. So some good things happening there with them. They were green when I looked the last time, but they have flipped to red. So they're down 2% this morning. Still looking, I guess, to get a little better than that. We had Smile Direct Club, which is the teeth whitener inline type thing. They lost 17 cents a share, 3 cents more than expected, and they're trading down 5.5% this morning. One of the more recent IPOs, initial public offerings, just came out was Vroom. You know, Vroom is basically a different way to sell your automobiles online. And so they had a larger than expected loss in this first quarter as a publicly traded company. They're getting beat up pretty bad today, Scott, down 17% as we get ready to start. I've got really two more to go. Fossil, the watchmaker, clothing belt maker, they lost 23 cents a share. Which sounds bad, but it's really a lot better than expected. They were expected to lose like $1.70. So,
wow.
Yeah, they really did well compared to what everybody expected. Revenue exceeded expectations, and so they're trading up 11%. And then the last one I have for you is a company called Aspen Technology. You know, they're obviously in the technology industry. They came in and earned $1.54 a share, which was better than the $1.17 they were expected to earn. Revenue exceeded forecast. Also, they've got a big push today. They're up over 25% this morning as the market gets ready to open up today.
Okay. Yeah. Good.
So
stuff,
some big moves there. You know, one of the things we have to keep watching is where we at. I mean, I'm looking now and at the current numbers. The Dow is basically even right now, as well as the S&P 500. I mean, the S&P 500 is up 0.1%. But the NASDAQ is really making some headway today, up 0.6, which is about $70. Commodity side of the sheet, we've got gold up 1.6% to $26.40 an ounce. Gold down about 0.5%. Crude oil is up at 0.2% to $42.75, which is pretty close to where it was yesterday when we talked, Scott. So, hey, that's where we are. We got one more day to go after today, and we'll have to see how the week closes up.
All right, buddy. Yeah, always good to talk to you, Phillip. Of course, remind the folks how to get a hold of you. And you still have the show, right, on the AM
Absolutely. Station? Absolutely. We are still out there every weekend for the Statler Financial Radio Show. We're on at 6 a.m. and noon on Saturday, 10 a.m. Sunday mornings on Highlands News Talk 730. But you can also call our office. Schedule your financial x-ray at 382-0037. Check out our website. We've updated it in the last week or so. Statlerfinancial.com, and you can go to our website and actually register. We're going to do a Friday with Phillip next Friday at 11:30. That's the 21st of August. Go to our website. You can register there. I look forward to seeing you guys where you can ask your questions live and get answers right there. So, hey, thanks, Scott. And maybe it's you tomorrow, maybe it's Dave tomorrow, but who knows? But we'll talk to somebody tomorrow and get them updated on what's happening in the markets.
Always good to talk to you, Phillip. All the best to your family. Okay, have a good day.
All right, man. Thanks.
Statler Financial Services.
Wait and see.
Well, folks, it was a morning without Dave. Had to carry it all ourselves today. And but hope you got something out of the numbers we talked about today. And hopefully Dave will be back in the seat tomorrow as we get ready to look at the end of the week and what's happening next week. So thanks again for joining us. Again, remember, register for our Fridays with Phillip coming up on August 21st at 11:30. You can go to our website, statlerfinancial.com, and register there. Hey, have a great day. I look forward to speaking to you again tomorrow.